Big up Crosses TV.
Boy, classes TV has some content there, you see, man.
So them a buy blood clot for you. One baking blood clot, so them a blood clot. Should make me get the blood clot recording when you talk about my mother. Tell the people them say one baking blood clot, so them a talk about buy blood clot for you. See there? You almost done it, germs. Come back for blood clot, this sting mouth. Sting mouth, sting bomb. You can't talk about my mother. Eh? And then I saw you the blood clot, clap it out. They want me clap it. No shit in the blood clot, baggy boy. Remember say you and your friend with blood clot go out, we come from Massachusetts one day. I fuck you gonna sell like blood clot, like you can't talk about me. Hey boy, run up. Run up on blood clot, because I will take your blood clot out and go do the time for you. Speedy, come off a blood clot, let's go suck your mother. Me not for blood clot stage, nothing. Me not low life and me not blood clot, me not careless so. In blood clot no and me blood clot no, come a pint it out blood clot to him. And that is why I give him the blood clot bed and hold the blood clot floor. Pussy have a next blood clot coming. Remember me blood clot fan bubbles tell us and me bring your blood clot come here, I can't take your blood clot out. And everything when me a blood clot out, me a talking for my mother life. Cause I'm a big bowl and blood clot bad like that. Your eye color nasty in a blood clot. Your eye color dumb like you have Down syndrome. You can't talk about my mother pussy. Gunshot for your mother in the blood clot time in Jamaica. Me will rake up blood clot down that batty boy. You can't talk about my mother. Your blood clot take you for take them here. You should leave blood clot none. You should have blood clot leave none. Or you never blood clot take them here. You take her for blood clot. Take out your cockroaches them. Or you never blood clot take them there. You can't start my blood clot, mother. Germs. Your blood clot take. Why you never take blood clot this? Why you never take blood clot that? I'm gonna say what else you have in a son. Why you never blood clot take them out? See here, why you never blood clot take them out? Cockroach, why you never blood clot take them out? Dead dog, why you never blood clot take them out? Who tell her for touch my blood clot, mother? Pussy, what me I tell her saying any side you sleep on, you better blood clot sleep on it good. You better go sleep on it and blood clot wake up. Stink more batty boy, you can't talk about my mother pussy. No stink more batty boy to my mother, no day, no time. Gunshot for your mama. Any blood clot we should have blood clot Jamaica. Me a blood clot tell you that. Your dirty low life, mama will put you out early. From you're 16, your mama put you out. From your blood class 16, your mama put you out. That's why your box all about a man to go be and sell fuck like blood clot dog. That's why Andrew put you in, put you out day in, blood clot day out. You for blood clot, thank God for blood clot fambo. Thank God for blood clot fambo stop you from blood clot put out. You for thank God for blood clot me, batty boy, cause the only time your blood clot is playing and when time you see them a blood clot fly over Mobile for the land of blood clot now Sunset International Airport. No rat no batty boy and no blood clot, rat no blood boy can't talk to me no day, no time. Baking soda for blood clot days for your mouth. Remember say me and you got tailor and the tailor tell us say you need to rectify that. Talk now, remember say me and you got Brooklyn and the tailor tell you where you can get for rectify your stinking mouth. And then me tell you say anytime you brush your teeth put baking soda on it, but buy the baking soda for use special. Or what you itchy blood clot scratchy batty boy, you can talk to my mother.